Hi, my name is William Fisher. Today we're going to show you how to create duration in Excel. You probably always wanted to know how to create a begin time and end time for your employees. So you can see we have a start time and we have an end time. We select duration, go up to the formula bar, type equal, select B2 minus A2, subtracting B2 from A2. Highlight C2 and you see that we have a format of hours and minutes, and we're done. You see the 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. is 8 hours.